What's up, guys? This is Echo. I'm gonna teach you guys how to do fakie flips. Okay. So, fakie flips. You're going to learn how to fakie ollie. And you're going to want to learn how to kick flip. So, to do the fakie flips, you're going to have your front foot right about here, pretty much a normal kickflip stance. Your back foot, you're going to want about right there, you know, have a little bit of the nose, or actually not the nose, the tail, hanging off a little bit, and you're just going to want to pop and flick, and kind of throw your back foot out a little bit so that you can catch it. A lot of people like to catch this with their back foot instead of the front, you know, but whatever. Pretty much once you get those down, you can start doing a nollie and switch and stuff like that. So, yeah. Until next time.